Let's make another program which will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So with the help of this vertical scroll bar, so from this vertical scroll bar we're gonna take the value of Fahrenheit and we'll convert it to Celsius. We don't need to enter anything manually. So let's take this in between. This remember its name is v scroll 1, and we're gonna take our first label, which is this one, where we're gonna have our input. From here it just shows the value of Fahrenheit, and our second label which will show us the output. Just clear it out so nothing. Okay, now it's in Fahrenheit and it's in Celsius. Okay, we have an exit button here also. Exit. And okay, so all the coding will be either here or here. So just double click on form and write v scroll1 dot max is equals to 108, which is like the maximum on a mercury thermometer. V scroll 1 dot min is equals to 95, which is also the minimum on a mercury thermometer. We scroll 1 dot value, where we're gonna have our minimum value. Now double click on this vertical scroll bar and write, I think we need to have a global declaration of here. Maybe it's not necessary though, you can just have declare it, or it will take it as a variant if you don't declare it. So we're gonna write f is equals to value of v scroll1 dot value, which is basically the value of f will be anything the value we get from this vertical scroll bar, and c is equals to 5 multiplied by f minus 160 divided by 9. Label 2, I mean label 1 dot caption is equals to f. Label 2 dot caption is equals to c. Let's see how it goes. Okay, maximize it. Form1 dot windows state is equal to vb maximized, and its value is 95, which is 35, and if it's 101 Fahrenheit, its value will be 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's take it as double. Okay, you can get this decimal values also. So that's it for this video.